msikajali, hizi zimeenda kuoshwa, right? So if you see anything out of place, jua tu ni kwa sababu kunaoshwa, including the carpet imeenda kuoshwa, right? Usafi ni muhimu, and we're trying to ensure that you get the cleanest place possible. So there's something I wanted to show you. There are a couple of changes that are coming, mostly on this wall, right? As you can see, here we have a 32-inch smart TV. This one is a bit small for our guests, and we want something bigger for them. We want a very nice experience. So we're going to remove this. We're going to put wallpaper up, and then we're going to put these speakers in such a way that it's more, more classy, right? So that's what we're going to do. But the change will not only be in this room. Tuendeni kwa bedroom kidogo. Okay. So bedroom pia inayo light. Sure. Welcome to the bedroom ya 1A. As you can see, bedroom zetu zinakuwa na TV. Unaona? Kama hapa tuko na TV. Somebody can watch Netflix from here. You don't have to go to the living room. Relaxini. Kama mna watch Netflix. Now, but again, since there's changes that are going to go on the other side, other changes are supposed to come here. Hapa tunataka kuweka wallpaper pia huko nyuma. The TV will maintain it. Hatutawatolea TV. But then there'll be beautiful wallpaper behind it. So, it's a process. We'll show you guys. I hope you like it.